The Niger Senate on Wednesday, 18th June 2025, go do screening for the Chairmo, Managing Director, plus other board members of Southwest Development Commission, wey dem dey call SWDC. For the committee first meeting wey shele on Tuesday, 17th June 2025, the Chairmo of Senate Committee on SWDC, Senator Yunus Akintunde, talk say dem go dey provide correct oversight wey go help the commission deliver their work wella. Senator Akintunde tell other committee members make them ready to work, say everybody opinion go matter for how them go take run development plan for SWDC.
Our vision is to provide adequate oversight functions for the good governance of the Commission to harness the vast potentials of the Southwest region, promoting economic growth, social justice, and human capacity development. We will work to address the infrastructure deficit, enhance regional cohesion, and foster business-friendly environment through robust legislative activities. Let us remember that great things are not achieved in isolation. They are born out of unity, determination, and shared vision. I believe we have the right people, the right purpose, and the right momentum.
Make una remember say na President Bola Tinubu for May appoint Senator Olubunmi Adetunbi as Chairmo and Charles Akinola as Managing Director for this new SWDC. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.